I wanted to show you some of the filming we're doing in Chile just to give you a sense of what's going on. This is actually filmed with my phone on a computer screen, looking at a man named Alexis Sanchez who plays Florestan in the opera. He's from Santiago. And one of the amazing things about shooting this is that I let him know a little bit about what I was looking for, but didn't have to direct him much. He just jumped in, got his hands dirty. He's a beautiful tenor. And acting the role of a prisoner who's been kept in a dungeon for 3 years. And it was amazing. He just got right into it, wasn't worried about the situation. We were in the setting, actually, in a horse barn, an abandoned horse barn. And Florestan, this character, he's delusional, and he's singing about his wife. He's singing about freedom. Something very dear to Beethoven's heart. This man trapped in a dungeon, hasn't seen light for a long time. And Alexis just took to the role as if he had done it 100 times. But this is the first time he had done this role. It was an amazing thing to see. Wonderful natural performer. With Chris Bottoms with a red camera filming him. And he's just spontaneously picking things up from the ground, playing the role of a man who's lost most of his hope to ever see the light of day again. But not completely. Like Beethoven himself, as he was going deaf at this time in 1803 when this opera was composed. A beautiful scene. Beautifully played. And the detail is just stunning. And Alexis is just starting his career in Chile, and I think he's going to be a wonder. Anyway, you'll see a lot more of this in the film. Thanks for taking a look.